So they've actually come up with, in this service bulletin, an upgraded alternator and clutch pulley assembly. Also a replacement belt tensioner for the accessory drive belt system to help maintain proper tension on that belt. And also a replacement accessory belt. By replacing those components, it eliminates this phantom or false misfire code from being generated due to that harshness and that slippage and that vibration that occurs in the accessory drive belt system and causing the crankshaft position sensor into triggering this false misfire code.